Thank you for joining the weather blog here on KSHB.com. Big travel week ahead. Today, there's a few delays around Denver, and I'll show you why that. Other than that, it's pretty good across the country. There's a storm system here in the middle of the country that we've been talking about, but it is a fairly weak storm system. And Denver has had some snow and a little bit of rain mixed in, and that's why there's some delays there into eastern Colorado. If you're heading west on I-70, definitely be cautious of that. And up north on I-35, there's some snow and a mixture up near Minneapolis. Again, not a big storm, but some slick roads are possible there, mainly along and north of I-90. For us, we are in the rain, and there are some rain showers. And right here, midday, there's going to be a few rain showers moving by. But after that batch goes by, most of the rest of the day will be dry, cloudy, maybe a shower or a sprinkle or two. The other interesting thing are the temperatures. It's in the low 50s now, but it's 60 in Salina, and there's a surface low north of Dodge City. Look what happens to this as we go through the day. This is 3 p.m. We're 55. That warm wedge is to our west. As we go through the evening and night, that warm wedge approaches so that by midnight, that could be our high of the day. Some locations around here could be near 60. We're in this little wedge of warm air. Cool to the west, cool to the east. And this little wedge will blast for a couple of hours, and then the cold front will move back through, and the cooler air, and by tomorrow morning, we'll be back to reality in the 40s. Tomorrow, the biggest travel day of the year, 50s to our west, 40s here. There'll be a lot of clouds around, and the system we have now will be off to the east. And let's take a look at that. If you're headed to Milwaukee or Chicago or Detroit, Cleveland, Indianapolis, there could be some rain showers. Again, this is not a big storm, but there could be a few delays. And then also from Portland to Seattle, some showers as well. For us, it'll be cloudy, breezy, and cool, but it will be dry. Here's the latest for Thanksgiving weekend. On Thanksgiving Day, the system moves to the east. There could be some rain showers for the Macy's Parade. Other than that, it's looking pretty good around most of the country. Then over the weekend, new data suggesting Friday, Saturday, Sunday, there could be a storm forming in the northeast part of the United States with some rain along the coast and the big cities and snow in upstate parts of New York to Maine. And then right at the very end, Sunday night, Sunday late day and night, some showers and a few thunderstorms could form from Texas all the way up towards Chicago. We'll be keeping an eye on that. In the Pacific Northwest, periods of rain showers and some mountain snow. So here's the forecast for today. In the 50s, you see there 11 p.m., 56. It could be 58 or 60. There might even be a few thunderstorms to the north. We'll be keeping an eye on that. And then the front comes through at 3 a.m., drops us to 49. How about the plaza lighting? Looking great. Light winds in the 40s. A lot different than last year's 30s. Wind-driven cold rain. Here's a quick look at the 7-day forecast. After today's chance of rain is pretty good through the weekend. Highs in the 50s, lows in the 30s and 40s. That slight chance of rain here on Sunday. Sunday night, football in America here on 41 Action News. Let's go Chiefs. Have a great rest of your week and happy Thanksgiving. And have a safe Thanksgiving as well.